Hi guys, welcome to Cartex. Today a short update on the model year 23 ID5 GTX. Some minor upgrades, some minor difference between the old cars. So I'll show you now. So as you see, almost a full option car with the 21-inch wheels, LED matrix. It's a GTX for the 23 upgrade, not the big silver things on the door, but just the black GTX logo, which is I think the same as on the rear. Also got the black GTX logo as on the 22 models. So how cool is this, guys? Full black. And also on the other side the black GTX emblems. I think it looks a bit better than the old GTX logo on the side with the big silver thing on it. But I still would remove these badges to get it more clean. Also new in the interior, everything's black instead of blue. So the leather parts on the seat aren't blue anymore, they're black. And the black dash panel, also different from the 22 model. Guys, these are the standard seats, so not the top sport seats, with the GTX embroidery in it. Red stitching, really nice to see. But also you have the option to get it on the electronic moving function and the top sport seat with some more sportier look. Also didn't notice it before, the car also has now the red stitching on the steering wheel. Really great to see that in comparison to the red lining on the steering wheel. So a little bit sportier, a bit newer, really looks cool. And of course also the red stitching on the dash with the black pad instead of the blue. And so guys, the 23 model ID5, the GTX version with the new emblems, the new interior, looks great, drives great. So thanks for watching, please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys.